What if you could get 5G speed, a massive battery, and Samsung's premium ecosystem for under $150? Welcome back to Future Technology. Today, we're reviewing the brand new Samsung Galaxy A08 5G. In a world of expensive flagships, Samsung is trying to prove that budget doesn't have to mean basic in 2026. Let's see if this is the ultimate value for money smartphone. At first glance, you might mistake the A08 for its more expensive siblings. It has a clean, practical design with a smooth back panel that is surprisingly fingerprint resistant. It's slim, lightweight, and easy to use with one hand. Samsung is offering this in three main colors: black, grey, and silver. It feels solid, durable, and definitely more premium than its predecessors. Moving to the front, we have a generous 6.7-inch HD+ PLS LCD display. But the real upgrade for 2026 is the 90Hz refresh rate. This makes scrolling through social media or your news feed feel incredibly fluid, a feature we rarely saw at this price point a few years ago. With 800 nits of peak brightness, it's clear enough for outdoor use, and colors appear vibrant for an LCD panel. Under the hood, the A08 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 chipset. Paired with up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, it handles daily tasks like messaging, video calls, and light gaming with ease. But the headline feature is the stable 5G connectivity. It brings next-generation mobile speeds to budget users without the premium cost. It runs on Android 15 with Samsung's well-optimized One UI, ensuring a snappy and responsive user experience. For photography, you get a 50MP main sensor that takes sharp, well-balanced photos in good lighting. It's perfect for social media sharing. Low light performance is also respectable for this category. And then there's the battery, a massive 5500 mAh powerhouse. Most users will easily get 2 days of life out of this. When you do need to charge, it now supports 3.0W fast charging, which is a significant step up for the A08 series. The 2026 Samsung Galaxy A08 5G is a smart choice. It doesn't try to compete with flagships, but it excels at the basics: connectivity, battery life, and a smooth display. For roughly $10,499, about $125, it's hard to beat. If you want a reliable daily driver that's future-proof, this is it. Thanks for watching Future Technology. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.